good idea, Jenna. I went with my aunt, and she got me a bowl of water because I was playing with a tea set. And I'm like, should we open the egg? This one. It includes water.
Let's adjust this so that people can see. Your viewer can see what you're doing. See?
Okay, how do I open it?
There you go. See?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You
need
can
help?
open it.
Okay. This we're gonna need a scissor.
Skip ahead if you want to.
So I'll show your viewers how it's cut. And you need an adult for this because
Or you need your auntie. If your aunt is, if your auntie isn't her, please just safety first.
yep, so you open it and it pops out like an egg. Let's see.
It pops out like an egg. Wait, it actually is an egg. Let's place in water. Thank you
And
all.
then there's another opening.
Seriously? The torture of opening things. Oh. That was easy to
Adjust your
open.
camera.
This one was easy to open, actually. Look at this egg. Feel it.
It looks like a real egg.
And it feels like a real egg.
And it feels like a real egg.
Don't crack the egg. I'm just kidding. It says,
Okay, now your
So-
viewer can see you.
now we have to place it in water. So,
Is that what it says?
what does it say?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see.
Get the box.
Okay, put the egg in a container and filled with water until egg is submerged.
Okay.
Meaning it has to be completely covered with water.
Okay. We have to go get more water because my tea set, they kind of have cracks, so it's spilling out on this towel. It's like a Kinder egg.
So
This is like a Kinder egg.
to let your viewers see, we're gonna place the egg in here.
We're gonna
And
carefully
then we're gonna carefully pour it.
until it's up on.
It's not submerged.
Now it is.
Yeah, you gotta push it down.
Oh my gosh, it's bubbling.
Yeah.
Look.
And it said that the eggshell will break and the dino will hatch after.
There's a crack.
It says 24 to 48 hours. So, which means we have to leave the eggs in here for almost a day to 2 days and the egg will hatch.
Tomorrow's Monday.
Huh? So
That's
maybe
okay.
when you come home, we'll hatch from school. So maybe 8 in the morning, honey.
Maybe I'll make a playlist out of this. I definitely need a.
I see the crack though.
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
I don't know if your viewers can see it.
It's right here, guys. No, they can't see. It's so
Can you
bright.
bring it close? Oh, it's probably too bright for them to see. Where is it? No, they can't see it. But we're gonna leave it there,
For a long
and hopefully it'll hatch.
It's scared. I'm not pressing on it. It looks so big. Hopefully this helps it. There's a baby dino inside the egg.
Yeah.
I didn't know it would take this long. I don't read instructions before I buy it.
Once eggshell is entirely broken, add new water to the container, and then the dino will fully be expanded.
I found another crack. At the bottom though.
So, honey, this is like, let's see, 2 to 4 days for the baby dino to hatch.
Yeah, I definitely need to make a playlist out of it. It's happening.
So we're gonna leave it there, and then tomorrow we're gonna see an update.
Yay! Okay.
Now I'm gonna have to take a picture of this.
This is so heavy now. It's heavy.
You have to put it in your room, okay? So Grandma doesn't clean it.
I think the baby dino's drowning by now.
Okay.
Who's the mother of this? The mother's very unresponsible, leaving their egg in the middle of a store.
I'm gonna say bye to your viewers,
Bye,
and we'll
peace
see you
out.
tomorrow for updates.
Yeah, I need to go to sleep. Go to
Bye.
sleep.
See you tomorrow.
Peace out.